Saya juga mengharapkan begitu, kalau memang pemerintah sudah menghentikan pencarian bagaimana lagi. Tidak mungkin saya paksakan mereka. Tuhan, karena tidak ada firasat dengan tidak ada tanda saya bahwa anak saya itu meninggal.
This man here has just identified his auntie and his brother. They were praying in a mosque when the earthquake struck. It shows that nearly 2 weeks on, bodies can still be identified, as we've just seen here.
Dedi, yang jelas kita ada 5 lagi yang belum kedapat. Mama saya, bapak saya, nenek, tante yang tadi sudah dapat sama Dedi tadi. Dari ciri-ciri pakaian, rambut dan
After a long day of searching for victims from this earthquake, 13 bodies have been laid down here on the floor. A local imam has just delivered a sermon and people are chanting as the bodies are put in this ambulance to be taken away.